To fix the bolt to the door, place it onto the door, making sure it doesn't protrude beyond the door. Mark it with a pencil. Take the square. Make a line. Align the bolt to the line. Take your drill and drill a pilot hole. Now that I've drilled all the holes, I can screw the bolt to the door. Now take the staple and align it with the lock. I can see that I will need to take some of this architrave away. So if I'm going to mark, just mark where it needs to go. What I need to take away, where the staple sits. Take the hammer and chisel and just chisel that part away. Now I've chiselled out the architrave, I'm going to try the staple, the size. It fits. Try the bolt, it works. Slide the bolt across. Drill the first pilot hole. Screw it in. Try the bolt again, drill the second pilot hole. Try the bolt when it's fixed. And that's it, the bolt's fitted.